Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. You know what to do. Like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that means every time I post a video, you did it. You get it first. Anyway, here I go. Big shout out to Colaz Smith TV. As a matter of fact, I think I Colaz Smith TV. Yeah, because today we're going to do something new. To be honest with you, me I watch Colaz Smith TV and I see him make coconut dumpling. Tell you the truth, me a Jamaican born. Long time I live in Jamaica. Long time I there foreign, but me never hear about the coconut dumpling. Never taste it yet. So me decide say me go give it a try. Yeah man, me go make it. Only thing is me go make it in a rundown. So me go make some rundown with the coconut dumpling. So we go make the rundown, make the dumpling with the coconut juice, or I think the coconut the coconut shred, you know, that the part there, coconut. I never know me go do it yet, but we go try to do it like how him do it. But me go also put my little spin on it and then we go cook it down in some coconut juice, rundown, Jamaican style. If you don't know what rundown is, we go put in the comment, you know, put they call it the ingredients down below. So the item can try it out and give it a test. But go try it. Know it go work out, but we go give it a try. And again, big up to Colaz Smith TV. And if you never follow him, if you never watch him, go watch him, go follow him because him do some crazy thing, inventional food thing, he do some things and it's a good channel for what. So shout out to Colaz Smith TV, go give him a check. Vibes. Alright. Soon show you what I go on. We soon start the thing, but for right now, we go take time. Yes, yes. Yes, my people. So as we say, we go try the coconut dumpling. But there's the ingredients that you need to make the coconut dumpling. And it's the base of coconut. Yeah, you need coconut. If you don't have this coconut, you can purchase the coconut cream from the store. But this is better to use. The original, you know, do it yourself, you know, because what really happen now, this one give you more flavor. So we go broke it and show you what I want. Alright. Yeah, this one now, go break it. You have to get something heavy. See that? This one, just a little bit of water. Yeah. Sometimes them have a lot more water than that. Is it now? Yeah, so all of them break up two of them. So go get down to the next spot. So this part right now is you take a knife, hold it short like. Try not to use another knife, just use a bread knife. Bread knife kinda more easy, or a eating knife, or which one you call it. Just push it underneath there. Just like that. Take them out. It's not hard. It's not hard to do, you know, you just can't take your time. Do it the right way. See? Ah, 3 piece. Okay, so this grater, yeah, man. This we used to. Yeah, so I say the grater is coconut, and also you have to be careful. You have to be very careful of this part of your finger. The reason for that is because you hold it like this. If you're not sure of what you're doing or what you are doing, then you may grate your finger, and you know that hurt. So if you go use the grater, be mindful of it can cut you. So if you don't want to get cut, just you can blend it, you know, or you can buy it from the store. Even though I know if you do it for many years, still you cut it. Some small pieces. So that's how it looks. It's like trash. So we're gonna make some of the dumpling with the trash and some with the juice. Finish. So I take out some out there because I'm going to use the trash pan to make some of the dumpling. Then we go use the juice. So this now we will wash off the grater. And the reason for washing off the grater is to wash off the left pan the grater with some water. Some more water in it. So we use the squeeze of the trash with a grater, and by doing that now you get the juice. You get the juice out of that part of it. That good, to get a good amount of salt that you just squeeze it. Juice it. Into a strainer. Strain it out. You can even put it in a piece of cloth and squeeze it through, so, you know, just to get as much as you want out of it. But yeah, that's not the way to get it done. And then we go through, we go get my strainer. My strainer kind of old. Yeah, man, this strainer kind of old, but it's still a work. Yes, so I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I'm gonna show you there. So now I go strain it. And you can look. And you can see. See? Yeah, that's the coconut milk. Yeah, that's the coconut milk right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more water just to see if we can get some more juice out of the trash we left, you know. Because even though if you look, even though I squeeze it out a while ago, you may believe all of the milk, we get all of the milk now, some more milk still left in there. Yeah man, so that is the thing, that are the deal. Yeah, so watch again. You see? More juice still in there. Yeah, so this is the coconut milk. Yes, this is coconut milk finished now. Yeah, all that to get out of the two coconut. And then over here I have some of the coconut trash. This one I didn't put me never put no water upon this one. So this one now me go mix it in some dumpling. So all of that coconut flavor go inside of this one. Just like the milk. Yes now guys, so what you need to make this coconut dumpling is you need the flour, salt, and of course you need the coconut milk. So today I'm not gonna make too much, so I'm gonna use about 2 cups. Yeah, 2 cups of flour. Yeah, 2 cups of flour, and so normally I do this just to say it is a teaspoon or some salt. Say a teaspoon of salt would be good. Stir it around like this. So what I say I go do instead of to make 2 different dumplings, I go take the coconut trash, sprinkle all over. Yeah, I go do it different, you know. I just go put the trash in there. Yeah, I go put the trash inside. Mix up the trash like so. Yeah, so that means, as you see, the trash is inside the flour mixed up together. So then now I go use the coconut milk. Normally you'd use water, but I'm using the coconut milk to form the dough. Well, I mean, people, I don't know how this all tastes, but I tell you, the dough itself tastes good, smell good, smell good already. So I just imagine when this thing done. So yeah man, here it is. So remember, don't put too much water when you make a dumpling. Yeah, it's better to add more water than you have the dough not make good, you know, see? Yeah, see? So the dough ready. Yes, it's simple, man. It's not hard. Many people, enough people may say it's hard, but it's, to be honest with you, it's easier than you think. Yeah, man, it's easier than you think. And there's a little bit more left inside it. A little bit more flour on. So I got to throw a little bit on it, spin it around, and then join everything together. And here's the dough. So this is the dough for the coconut dumpling. Yes, this is the dough for the coconut dumpling. So if they're right there, so I go put it over, I go put it aside and then work on the rest of thing them. Yeah. Yeah, so see there now, I got the pot on fire. Coconut milk. You know, you have to cook the coconut milk. Make sure it cook real good. So that's the first part of it. So that's when we go cook the rundown. Yes, so that's the rundown part of it. So yeah, so that's the thing I cook in there. So I cook down and you'll see what I want. You know, these are the ingredients you need. Don't forget your time. Don't forget your time. Any Jamaican here I cook, and they not use no time. You know if it, you know if you do. So remember, you need coconut, you need pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, peppers, bell peppers. Cook down that rundown. These are the main ingredients for the rundown. Maybe a lot of you don't understand when we say rundown. You may round it up and say run down. But you know, it's just a way we talk, you know. So rundown. Yeah man, coconut rundown. Yeah, so there it is. That's what you need. And you need the flour. Rundown and some coconut dumpling. Cook down in a rundown, but we run out, we don't have no pepper. We don't have no scotch bonnet pepper, so now look. I run down an African store. I may run down an African store go. See if we can pick up a few of them. Yeah man, cause you know, I want to give it a try. Give it a try. Taste it, see what it tastes like. Because I believe, say it's a good idea. Yeah, I believe it's a good idea. I believe you go get a good taste out of it because remember, so when you cook things with coconut milk, coconut oil or anyway, sorry. Anyway, cook it once the coconut involved in it, you give a different. Go get a different taste. Go get a nice little taste, you know. So we go get some pepper and then come back, work on it, finish it up. Yeah man, and then we see what I go on, cause this is an adventure. Yeah man, this is an adventure where it strike me. Hey yo, may I tell you that this thing strike me eye long time. But me I say, what kind of dumpling? Me I say, you know, say the way how it sound and look, I think it's a nice thing, you know. Me I say, wait, this thing, I think this thing nice, you know. So, I want to give it a try a long time, but you see down me I say to myself, say, you know, me is not a person where like to follow where another person is. No, me always want to do my own things, try my own style, but me decide say, you know, I'm gonna try it, you know, just forget the taste out of it, just for, you know, just for do a thing, see what I want and get that taste out of it and so me can know what it is like. Because remember, me go come up with something where go be a little different, you know, because we make all different kind of food, but the dumpling part, because what happened with dumpling now in America, dumpling like what we eat dumpling at Jamaica is not the same eat. Yeah, even when we cook dumpling, yeah, them not eat it. Them not eat it. Them say the texture. You know, then tell about, oh, the texture, then I like it because it's, you know, it's just flour, caramel, water. To them it not no flavor, but to we it have flavor because it cooked down in how we are cooked. But you know, it's like each to his own. But with the coconut now, I think it got different flavor, different. Yeah, I think there's a lot of difference tonight. So we're going at this store. First, let me check if me have money. Yes, me have $10. Yes, me, brother, you see me left out of the house. I left out of the house, not even check if me have money to go buy to the store. Alright, we go. Come with me now. So here we go. We're going to the store, yeah? Here we go, going to the store, I go buy get some pepper. Yeah, this is an African store where it's an African store we buy food from. So we just go in there. We'll see if them have no pepper. Yes. Check see if they have no pepper in there. I think them must have still nowadays. Yeah. Yeah, them have some. I think I'm going to pick up a few little extra. I'm going to pick up a few little extra one right now. Then I have enough like what I really want, but yeah. Then I have all them I want, you know, so but I don't really like the green one them. So that's why you see me if you dig so much. Yeah, the green one, you know, the green one in there, that's pure sod. The green one in there, only for sod and now only for eating it. So I didn't get a few. Just a few. You have to make it a few. Only a few, and I think I want some the peas. What is it? Every time I come here, some good some change up. I'm gonna get some. I get exactly one. You have to get enough. Let me get a cup of pepper. Yes, them. Let me get a cup of pepper and then some kidney beans. I'm gonna boil some peas tomorrow. So. Yes, so let me get them I want, and then me go do now. But you know, back to the cooking. Yes, sir. One thing though. Sun hot out there. Yeah man, it's sun hot out there, boy. So the pot is about to be ready. See it a bubble up here now, so the coconut juice. Let's start cooking now, so we go add all the ingredients them. See it there? All of the ingredients in it. Store it.
I'm going to go put them by this dumpling them I make earlier. That is it, you know. So, yes, I do dumpling them in there. Yes. I tell you, let me taste it a while, I'll taste it again. Yeah. I can check on the pot, you know. I tell you. Hey. Yeah, man. It cook down. Yeah man, this is the coconut dumpling rundown. Yeah man, coconut dumpling rundown. I tell you, I make it cook down. I'm gonna make it cook down too. A little bit more. No matter what, we're gonna make it cook down, way down. You only can get. Yes, my people, see it there? I want the pot come off because I want to taste how it tastes because coconut dumpling run down. You see it in the scallion, onion, thyme with a scotch bonnet pepper. And remember this, there's no water in there, just pure coconut juice. The dumpling are cooked down in it. And remember, the dumpling also have mixed with coconut juice as the people, as you can see in my pot, done cook. Yeah man, as you can see, done cook now. Yeah. Yeah man. Coconut dumpling rundown. Okay. Yeah, so this now, remember, no meat. Just a dumpling cooked down in a vegan, you not eat meat. So the right thing for you. See that? Tell the people good. Yeah man, we go taste this dumpling, you know. This thing now we're cooking it down. I don't know if it's a me two already. I want two more. The coconut dumpling run down like mad.